Today, we're going to deal with the financial expenses of F1TEAM. So it says that the financial components of the company have a relation of 2/3 between equity and liabilities to get the advantage of the low interest rate of loans, 4%. This means that asking for a loan at the bank is very cheap. So the company is trying to get a lot of loans because getting them is cheap. They don't have to pay a lot of interest, okay? It also says that corporate capital cost is estimated in 4.5% and equity is 375,000. So let's start working with what we have. We're going to start with the corporate capital cost. So to calculate the corporate capital cost, we need to multiply the equity by the percentage. So equity is 375,000 and corporate capital cost is 4.5%. So that's the amount. And remember, this is a special cost and it's going to be only a cost. Okay, once we have this, let's try to check how much are liabilities. How much is the total amount that the company has in loans, okay? Because that's the question to calculate financial interest. So we know total capital, it's 2/3 equity, because it says here 2/3 equity, and the rest, how much is the rest? 1/3. 1/3 liabilities, loans. So liabilities is 1/3 of total capital. And 375,000 equity is 2/3 of total capital. What do you have here? What you have here is a rule of 3. And here, what you want to get, the information you want to get, is the amount of the liabilities. How much are liabilities in total? So to know liabilities in total, you have to multiply 375,000 by 1/3 and you divide it by 2/3. Okay, it's a simple rule of 3. And that gives you 187,500. So those are liabilities. Once you know that, it's easy peasy, okay? How much are the financial interests? How much are the liabilities cost? Liabilities multiplied by the percentage. Which one? The low interest rate of loans, the 4%. So 187,500 multiplied by 4%. And that gives you the financial interest amount. Let's put this information in our chart. So we need 2 lines. The first one is for the financial interest. Is this related to production? Yes, because remember what we said. We're going to consider that absolutely any loan that the company is getting is devoted to the production departments. So it's a cost. Does this belong to any department of the company? Yeah, it's related to the production department because it's a loan for production, and it's related to the financial department because it's the one asking for the loans. So it's an expense. Is it paid? Yes. Interest are always paid unless the exercise does not say anything else. What about the corporate capital cost? Remember, this is a special cost, okay? And those special costs are only cost. So this is it. Here you have the information in the chart and you're done with all the financial expenses and costs and so on. I hope this helps and see you in the next video.